Alright, I know it's a little loud, but guys, this is used, all my used motor oil. I've been doing this for the past 2 years. This and water removal. Your tank sweats, if you don't know that. These fuel cells sweat during the day and at night, cold weather, especially down in like the south, down Louisiana. We got a lot of moisture and humidity. But I just run this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Guys, it's black diesel, you know. Just gotta have a good filter system. As you can tell, my filter right there. It's used motor oil, guys. See, I made a little mess. It's a 75-gallon tank. I put about a gallon maybe. I fill the tank up, I'll dump some in the truck, and then I'll fill this tank back up and I'll dump a little bit more in it and just keep filtering as you go, you know, before you put it in your truck. But this is it's a 07 LBZ Duramax. I've been doing this for 2 years. Black diesel, y'all. Doesn't hurt your truck. Winter time, it's a little bit harder on the cold starts. Just you know, let your truck preheat and your glow plugs get hot, or here, you know. But doesn't hurt the truck. I run the diesel a little bit leaner on the oil in the winter time, just to help for the cold. But you dilute it enough with diesel, it's fine, y'all. Just make sure you filter. I'll do this for 5-6 minutes. It also helps, you know, remove any trash or water out of your system. I get about 2 months on a cat filter. I have an adapter on this truck, but before I was buying the $60 OE filters from an auto parts store, and they wouldn't last, you know, maybe 3 months. But you get a cat filter for 20 bucks and it lasts about 2 months. But you know, obviously the more you filter your diesel, you know, the better it is. And overall it just helps for your truck, you know, and your injectors. But I just had somebody check my injector rates. They're all within no more than negative or plus 1, somewhere in the zeros, 0.5 and 0.8. None of them were over 2, I believe, or 1. Really, all of them were really below 2. But and this truck has 430,000 miles on it. It's my everyday truck. I use it to tow it.